we have sine theta is equal to negative 0.3, and we have to solve for theta within this domain. This is a classic trig question. So we are going to write ASTC, and we notice that sine is negative within this quadrant and this quadrant. Now focus on the actual value, 0.3, and you hit sine inverse in degree mode. And the answer we get is 17.45. So the reference angle is going to be about 17.46-ish degrees. And so therefore, in terms of theta, we have this angle here as the first angle, theta 1, and theta 2 is going to be all the way around here. So therefore, theta 1 is equals to 180 plus 17.46, which is about 197.46-ish. And theta 2 is going to be 360 minus that reference angle, which is around 342.54-ish degrees.